So you just updated Davinci Resolve to version 20 and you want to make a vertical video. You change your timeline to the vertical resolution, but whoa, it goes all the way to the side over here and you can't seem to pull it all the way over. Even with the media pool and the effects, you can't pull it over, right? Here's how you fix it. Go up to Davinci Resolve, click Preferences, go to the User tab, unclick Use Optimize UI Layouts for Vertical Video. Unclick it, save it, boom! It's in the middle now! And now it's going to stay like this for any vertical video that you want to make. You can pull up your effects tab, you can pull up your media pool. If we go back to timeline settings, unclick vertical resolution, it comes back. Now let's go back and see if it stays. Timeline settings, vertical resolution, okay, it saves. Now it's not stupidly all the way in the side, and there you go. You're welcome.